Hey guys, welcome to My Life YT. We're doing a Power Wheels go-kart build. It's gonna be a pretty cool one. I'm gonna make a Baja Beetle. Stick around for the teardown and show you what I get done today. Do a mock-up of it. Alright, so now that we got the teardown done, I want to give you an idea of what our Baja Beetle is going to look like. We got the wheel sitting in here. I'm either thinking, which I can show you what I'm thinking for how we're going to ride it. I'm either thinking we do like tree bars, like a dune buggy would have, and then ride it like a quad. Put a seat up here, put the engine right here in the middle, or kind of on the same principle, but to put our feet out on like a Baja style bumper out there and ride it like that. And then I'm thinking handlebars. What I have around here, I have a few bike parts, so I was thinking some bicycle handlebars with probably just hand controls to make it simple. So we're going to get started on that. We're going to build the frame and then decide which way works, or maybe we'll do both. Maybe we'll have the pegs on the side and the front bumper on it. It's going to look like a Baja Beetle anyway. It's going to have the bumper, but maybe we can put our feet in either place. And then I'm just thinking like a four-wheeler style seat to sit on, and then we end up needing a wheelie bar or something because it's pretty small. So. Alright guys, so I cleaned up this chassis, and as you've seen, and we got the Volkswagen body sitting on it. We trimmed out the insides. I think what I'm going to end up doing is right here on this plate, I'm going to put a new plate in there, a heavier plate, but that's where the engine's going to sit, and that'll give us room back here for the sprocket and everything. And then, well, we can move this out of the way. As you can see, we cleaned up this chassis. It was an old go-kart, but it had been cracked in a few spots on the back half back here, and then these bars that were on the side were all busted, and so it had already met its doom. So we cleaned it up. Alright guys, so the Baja Beetle's coming right along. If you like what you're seeing down there, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe and hit that notifications button. We'll see you in the next one.